We have a 20% clear ballistics gel block that measures 6 inches by 6 inches by more than 6 inches.
What's the other 80%?
The other 80% is pig guts.
That was a dumb answer.
I don't know.
The higher the percentage, like the harder it is.
So this
is
is
10% is the equivalent of like shooting someone in the fat, and 20% is muscle.
like this is somebody who's got like some real meaty thighs or something.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to test though to see how accurate this is. So we need one of you to punch the other one and then punch this and see if it's similar.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
Okay. And now punch.
I don't want to break
Stand it up.
I don't want to break it.
Mitchell will support you. You won't break it. That's just like a meaty thigh.
That's about the same.
It sounded wimpier. It sounds like a little slap. You would say it's about the same then.
I would say so. Yeah, give or take.
So Mitchell's
just
gut
try
is
again.
equivalent to 20% ballistic gel.
Yep.
Should we do it again just
That's-
to make sure?
That's how ripped my gut is.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to shoot the water jet through this, both the short way and the long way, both with water and with abrasive. Look at the slow-mos and see what it looks like. What would it look like if Mitchell laid on the table and shot the water jet through his gut?
Through my gut part.
So we've got our block set up. Our water jet is tilted as far as it can go, which makes that line look like it'll go from this corner down to about right there. So like 95% of the block. That's close enough. That's the best we can do.
And that's longer than a person.
And that's because of geometry.
And science.
Can't argue with math.
Oh. That was kind of cool. Like it slowly worked its way through. It got stuck there. Wow, that's weird looking. It's like it hit hard spots there in the middle, and then
I don't know if it was hard spots or just like so far away from the jet that like.
but like that last 6 inches, it just like went through it really fast. That was weird. And then as soon as it breaks through, the entire stream just kind of narrows up. The inside channel that left is pretty cool. When these get hit by a bullet, it doesn't really remove the material from the block. It just kind of moves it out of the way of the bullet, and then it kind of goes back together. So when you shoot it with a bullet, at least smaller calibers, it doesn't leave a trail like that. And because we went all the way through, save it so we can melt it back down. You guys just save it in your cheek.
That's 20%, all right?
This next shot we'll be going from the top down, except on this one we've taken away the gap between the nozzle and the block. That way the stream doesn't have any time to spread out. Maybe the gel will help keep the stream more solid as it goes through. And then we're also going to film this one at a much higher frame rate, at more than double the previous one, about 3,100 frames. Okay, ready when you are. 3, 2, 1. That was pretty quick. I don't know if it's because it was on for less time or if the nozzle thing actually worked, but that stream does look a lot more narrow. This slow-mo, even though it's like twice the frame rate, it looks like it's going the same speed, if not a little quicker. Look at that jiggle. Okay. Ready? Yep. It popped at me. We got this one a little close to the edge, and right there, you can stick your finger in it. That's where it popped out. Just clearing the wound real quick, see if I can find the projectile, you know?
Good luck.
Whoa, this one made like a huge bulb. I didn't see where it broke out the side. Oh, it broke out later on. Right there. Oh, that got huge. That's awesome.
Recording. I think it clogged it.
It definitely is wider than the other one, and it looks more
Opaque.
sandblasted, opaque. Okay, the next test we've got, since this is essentially Mitchell's gut, have you heard of the myth where if you put an air compressor like this up to your skin, it can like inject an air bubble and like kill you or something
It goes straight to your heart or your brain.
and explode it?
Something like that.
Well, hold on. We're gonna try that here and see if that is still true. Force it in. Nope, not enough power.
Just like shut it off.
I think. It's just boring a hole into it. So if somebody takes an air compressor hose and tries to bore a hole through you with it,
Then turn.
then tell them to stop and you're okay. Maybe
Feel safe
20
testing on your finger now?
maybe 20% fat is just too strong. Don't do it. You're going to die, dude. Oh my gosh. You die.
If I die. Alright, I'm not gonna.
Okay, yeah.
Hovercraft.
Last myth. I don't remember what movie it is, but
Please insert clip.
I'm not going to be able to find it.
Find it, Dan.
The clip where the guy punches into a chest, pulls out a beating heart, and I don't know what he does with it. Probably eats it.
Probably not.
Can Elliot do that to this? You've got to get inside of it with your hand, grab a heart-sized lump of gel, and pull it out. If you come out empty-handed, then you have failed.
You might need a time lapse for this one.
Okay.
Alright,
I'm ready.
I'm first gonna try to just go through a blank slate.
Okay, not using one of these holes.
Right.
Okay. Come on.
I have to get a little something started.
Oh, there you got it.
You need a space in there.
Hold on, I'll be to your heart in a second.
The guy's still patiently waiting. Come on, get in
My
there.
fingers hurt.
You need to come out with a handful of gel.
Well, now your back's gonna hurt because you got garden duty.
I've got one. Alright. I'm just gonna rip this guy in half instead.
Look at this technique.
I'd like to mention that this gel is reusable. You can melt it down and reform it.
Okay, yeah, if his heart was on the outside of his body, you got part of it. Good job. Okay, but mentally and emotionally, could you do that? Do you have serial killer mentality?
Ooh, that's a good question. Probably not.
I would hope not. Do we need to fire him?
It's a probably.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, get in. That's hard.
Can you take a bite out of somebody's leg? Elliot, go.
I'm gonna go for the corner.
This video just got really weird. Oh man. Please don't demonetize us, YouTube, if you're listening.
If you'd like to see more of that, please subscribe.
On a less weird note, remember that subscription box I mentioned 2 weeks ago? It is now available. I jumped the gun 2 weeks ago, and it is now available. You can go to waterjetknives.com, see all the details, You get a box that has a knife blank, handle material, pins, everything you need minus tools to make that into a beautiful knife.
This is where it starts, and this is where you get when you finish. Each month, we're gonna send you the materials to make a complete knife, blade, the handle material, the pins, you name it. This month, we actually are sending enough to make 2 knives. Every month, we're gonna have a new design. It's always gonna be fresh. Everybody, when they sign up, gets a free t-shirt. And this month, we have a special surprise for everybody who's our subscriber for the first month ever.
Do you know what the surprise is?
No, I'm waiting.
I don't even know what the surprise is.
I'm gonna go sign up and find out.
What is the surprise?
It's top secret. So click the link and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna make a video every month that explains how to get from this all the way to this.
A WikiHow. Instructables.
How old are you?
Elliot really wants to shank this.
Elliot's got that serial killer mentality. Like that's probably about how hard you'd have to push a knife into a person.
Maybe so.
I don't know. Can
Okay.
you? Is it really that hard to like stab a person? I mean, I don't know because have either of you ever done it?
Like I've cut meat.
What about slicing? Do a slicing action. Is a slicing action?
How sharp is this knife?
It was cutting paper pretty easy. It's sharp. Cut it on the, slice it on the corner. Yeah, try and.
I mean, it's harder than a steak would be.